one observation that I had, which was interesting, is this that if you're going to take part in a joint reward, that you see dangling there, that there is this value available, and everybody sees that there is this value, then how do you share into the risk? That there is not one company or one organization that takes all the risk and then the others just tag along, but there is this value sharing possibility that Sitra has been actually pushing quite strongly, that in these data ecosystems there needs to be this value sharing setup. So how do you see this these projects progressing now? We're about to close this first part of the data spaces work. So what does the future hold?
I think there's two parts to that. Before I talk about what's sort of the continuity and follow-up to that, I just want to come back to the point where you mentioned about how this data sharing, profit sharing and all that work.
Profit sharing.
I think what we also discovered and learned during this course of a year and a half, 2 years, is that at the end, actually, the hard part is not building the technical building block of how data could be shared and all that stuff. The hard part is actually making company understand there's actually a shift of business model from a pipeline business model selling to one customers or group of customers into a platform thinking, working together with an ecosystem, creating value, and not just selling to one company, but it's actually a whole partner network. I think that is a big shift for company, traditional thinking. So it's traditional pipeline business into a new platform business model. That's the first jump. Because what it often means that it is actually forcing them also to change the way they currently work, so that they can actually unlock new business value and capture that value and bring it into the network and share it amongst each other. So that's one part, one of the learning I think is important. And through these 5 pilots, I think what we have seen is that the outcome has been very positive for us as a funder, but also for the participant. So 4 out of the 5 have some sort of continuity and follow-up. So for example, the Maritime Data Space Initiative that is co-led by Fintraffic is going to continue to grow through European Commission funded project. So they are building this Nemo Data Hub that was already started. But now with this work they have done in the data space, they've got another new funding that will help them to extend the data hub into a full-fledged data space. So that's definitely a great continuity for the business, right? That's one. I can name a few. And then from the skills data space, they created this new data product that is actually a machine learning AI model that actually predict or forecast the future need of skills. Today, they are going to continue to try to commercialize that product, that data product through data space network, right? So then transforming data space as a sales channel. Because you develop your product once, if you have it in your data space, you can connect your data space to the next data space and consume that product. So hence a new marketing or sales channel. So that's second. I can continue.